Welcome to your neck isolation video. In this video, we are going to practice neck cars, which is basically a fancy term for controlled joint circles. We're going to start with first neck extension and flexion. So as you can see in these pictures, this is the different ranges of motion of your neck, and we're going to hit all of them. So now starting to go into rotation, turning your head side to side. The key here as we're doing all of these movements is that you're not moving the rest of your spine. So trying to turn your head but without turning in your shoulders or your chest, and just checking in with your range of motion, which is also that term ROM that you see. That's the shorthand. Now going to lateral flexion, so your head is going side to side, dropping your ear towards your shoulder. Make sure that your shoulder's not coming up to meet your ear, keeping that shoulder down. And again, trying to keep the rest of the spine still and the shoulders still. Now we're beginning our full controlled neck car, so dropping chin to chest, taking your ear over towards your shoulder, then begin to go into that rotation, turning your head, looking to the right, taking your head back, nose points up to the ceiling, and then arcs over to the left as you turn and rotate. Drop your ear towards your shoulder, and back to chin to chest. And let's go again, going over ear to shoulder. Get as much movement as you can, turn and rotate. Nose points up to the ceiling, and then arc over to the left, dropping ear to shoulder and chin to chest, and then you'll reverse directions there. So you're going really slow and just making sure you're going through your own pain-free range of motion, hitting all of those different positions. I highly recommend doing this 2 to 3 times every day. You can do it from other positions, but this Sphinx pose position is my favorite for doing this because it helps to isolate your spine even more. Alright, I hope this feels good. It's normal to hear the Rice Krispies. Keep doing it and enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Take care.